Now we are going to discussing about to face value and place value. Now number and its position and its place value and its face value. Now take one number 104 and here 3 and its position is in one position is hundreds place. So right here hundreds place 100 and its position is, and this 4 is in tens room, in a tens room, and this is in ones room. So in this 143, 1 is in 100 room and 4 is in tens room and 3 is in ones room. So the place value, we need to find out the place value. So first 1 is into 100's room, so that is equal to 100, and 4 is in tens room, so we write here 4 in tens room, that value is 40, and the 3 is in ones room, that means 3 is in 3 ones is equal to 3. So the face value is 100, that means 100 and 40 and 3. This is the face value. 693, we take the number, we take another number 693, and here its position is in 6 is in 100 room, so here we write in 100 room, and 9 is in tens room, so we write here in it is in tens room, and 3 is in ones room, so we write here in ones room, and its place value is 6 is in hundreds room, that's why this is a 600, and 9 is in tens room, so 9 tens, that means it is equal to 90, and 3 is in ones room, that means it is 3 only, and its face value is 693. The number is 693. We take another number 986. So see here its position is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So 9 is in hundreds place, so we write here hundreds room. 8 is in tens room, so we write here tens room. 6 is in ones room, so we write here ones room. So its place value is 900. So write here 900. 8 tens, so write here 80, and 6 ones, right here 6. So its place value is 986. These are the face value and place value. Now my dear students, this is 256. So we write its place value first. So 2 place value of 2, place value of 2 is in hundreds room. So we write here 200, and 5 place value of 5 is equal to 5 is in tens room, so it is in 50, and 6 is in place value of 6 is in ones room, so it is 6. So here we write 256 is equal to 200s place 5 tens, that means 50, and 6 ones. So this is expanded form. This is called expanded form. Here we have 3 numbers 353, 850, 906. We need to write expanded form. Always remembering one thing, we read the place values from right side to left side. That means this is the ones place, this is a tens place, and this is hundreds place. This always remembering from this side to this side, right side to left side. Ones, tens, hundreds number. In hundreds room we have 3, so its place value is 300 plus in tens room 5, that means 50, 5 tens 50. In ones place we have 3 number, so 3, we write 3. At the same time 850, in this number ones, tens, hundreds. In hundreds room 8 is there, so their place value is 800 plus, and in tens room we have 5 number, so 5 tens 50 right here. In ones place, in ones room we have 0, that means we write here 0. 0 means nothing is there, nothing is there in one's room, so write 0. And 906, in this number read the place values ones, tens, hundreds. In hundreds room we have 9, so write here 900 plus. In tens room we have 0, that means 0 tens, that means there is no tens is there, nothing is there, so write as it is 0 in tens room. And in ones place 6, so write here 6, so this is 906. This is about the expanded form. See these numbers, here we have already expanded form, we need to write short forms. See this, once again read this, 600 and 82, and this is 300 plus 20 plus 0, 999 and 500, here 0 and 6. So we need to write here short form. So 600, so 6 write in hundreds room 6, and 80, 8 tens, so we write 8 in tens room, and 2 ones is there, so write here ones room 2. This is 682, this is the short form. So next 300, so write 3 in hundreds room, and 20, 20 means 2 tens is here, so write 2 in tens room, and 0 ones, that means there nothing is there, so write in ones place as it is 0. So 990, here 900, 9 is in 100 room, so write here 9, and 90, 90 means 9 tens, that means in tens room we write 9, and 9 is in ones place, so write in ones room 919, that is, so 500, 0, 6, so here 500, 500, that means we write here in hundreds room 5, and 0 tens, so no tens is there, so we write in tens room is 0, and ones place 6 is there, so write this is, write here 6. This is the short forms of the numbers 682, 320, 999, 506. My dear students, now we are discussing about big numbers and small numbers. So firstly we take two numbers, 352 is one and 469 is one. So compare, we need to compare here. So firstly read this, ones, tens, hundreds, in hundreds place 3, and here also ones, tens, hundreds, in hundreds place here 4. So compare first hundreds place 3 and 4 is in hundreds room, this is tens room, and this is ones room. So firstly compare hundreds room. So which is the biggest one? That is the big number. So here 3 and 4. In these two numbers, which is big one? 4 is big one. So write 469 is big number, and 352 is smaller number. 352 is smaller number. So here 469 is big one. For suppose if hundreds also, if hundreds are same, 429. Now read ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds room, tens room, ones room. Here hundreds are equal. Then which number we need to compare? Tens room. See this tens room. In this tens room 5 and 2 is there. Which is big one? 5 is big one. So here 454 is big one. 429 is smaller one. For suppose if tens also same, 452 and 456. Here hundreds also same and tens also same. So now we need to compare ones room. In this ones room 2 and 6 is here. So in these numbers which is big one? 6 is big one. So in these numbers 456 is a big number and 452 is a small number.